Here we are at Chateau Poncie, picking the Gamay on the 9th of September 2009. This is looking up towards Fleury there with the church spire. And we're here with Thomas Henriot, who I'll be interviewing in a minute. And they reckon this is some of the best terroir in Beaujolais, the Poncie terroir.
So we can see here a typical example of a goblet way of having the Gamay grape growing here. And unfortunately you can see on this specific area the lack of work since a few years. You can see only one berry here on this branch. This one is quite good because it's an old vine and it's a bit more upper on the soil.
How old is the vine?
It should be around this one 60 to 70 years. And it does not look as an old vine, but it's suffering so much on this soil. And you can see all the vegetation here, who is very small compared than a normal vine.
And what? Just take one grape there, Thomas, and tell me how ripe the grape is.
This one is nice because you have small berries. You know, it's good to make a nice wine also with flavors, elegant flavors because of the age of the wine.
And when will this be picked?
In a few days. Do you want to taste? Yeah, it's nice.